financial lit. I actually got worse throughout the school day today, so I will not be here on Friday. But I wanted to go over what you should be doing in class today. So just because I'm not here does not mean you should not be working. There is this video. So first period, you already watched this video and this video. You need to start right here at the credit card box. Credit card offers with the Schumer box. And yes, Schumer does refer to Chuck Schumer, who's currently, I think, the head of the Senate or something. I don't know. But he is currently in the Senate and does refer to him. Anyway, so you need to complete this assignment, then you need to do the fine print. We will be learning about how to use credit card wisely. Here are all the links that you need to watch, and then you need to complete this fine print. So there are 2 fine prints that you need to complete by the end of first period today. 8th period, you guys stopped. Oh, I just realized there's a typo, so I'll fix that. You guys stopped at this. This was the video I was playing at the end of class. You need to watch this video and answer the questions. So you, 8th period, are starting on number 3. First period, you are starting on number 5 in the packet. So first period, you're starting on 5, page 7. And 8th period, you are starting on number 3 on page 6. So you need to get completed all the way through page 7. This is for first and 8th period through page 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should be at the bottom of page 10. So if you have any questions, let me know on Monday. I should be back and I should have my voice back by then. I hope you all have a great weekend. Stay healthy. And those of you that I won't see next week, have a happy Thanksgiving and a nice restful break. Otherwise, I will see all of you on Monday. If you were planning on taking your test today, I gave the sub all of your tests. You can talk to Miss Baker about getting set up for the test, or you can talk to Miss Wadley, either way. But please still take your test today. Have it turned in. Shoot me an email and I will take out the missing. Okay, see you all on Monday. How do I stop this?